Welcome to this video, where we explain how caching for NetSuite speeds up your NetSuite environment. In another video, we explain how to install the 1-month free trial. This video will only demonstrate how the application works. Caching for NetSuite comes with a portlet on the dashboard. After the dashboard has loaded, the records set for caching are also loaded. Every day, the initial load time is recalculated. Throughout the day, the current load time is shown. As you can see, NetSuite caching improves NetSuite's performance by 2 to 5 times, with peaks up to 12 times faster. This reduces frustration for end users and delivers significant business efficiency. Other use cases have been to speed up highly customized records, even sandbox environments, and limit geographical differences in performance experienced by users. Under Lists, Custom, NetSuite Caching Record, New. You can easily create additional records yourself. With Record Load, Record Save, Report, Saved Search, Custom Record List, or Custom URL. Virtually every component can be configured. The form guides you in creating the correct configuration. The app comes with some predefined records, and during implementation we will assist to the configuration that fits your needs. If you want to speed up scheduled scripts using this example, simply enable that option as well. It is possible to restrict a record by employee, related role, related department, or subsidiary. If you need help, you can find our documentation under NetSuite Caching Help. Let's go back and save. Return to the dashboard and you will see that this saved search is now also included in caching. Caching for NetSuite will not instantly speed up your entire NetSuite environment. However, it allows you to specifically configure which pages or records require the fastest possible performance. Many customers and end users have already got used to this significantly improved performance in NetSuite. Convinced, or ready to try it yourself? For more information, check the documentation or watch the video explaining how to install the 1-month free trial. Or when you have questions, feel free to contact us.